Package dimensions: 9.7 cms, L, x 19.4 cms, W, x 9.7 cms, H. Product type: vehicle light assembly. Package quantity: 1. Country of origin: Germany. Benefit from our OE, original equipment, know-how and our technological expertise. With more than 38,000 products, Hlmp offers a remarkably good range of vehicle-specific components, universal parts and accessories, all to top-quality standards for successful business. Hlmp offers you a great selection of spare parts. On the one hand, a great range of electronics for continuously rising repair volumes, with sensors, actuators and control units. On the other hand, a broad range of electrical products that has grown over many years. Hlmp is the #1 player on the independent component market for vehicle-specific lighting, and has the most extensive market coverage. Our innovative power allows us to continually further develop our product range of headlights, lamps, interior lights, bulbs, and more. Top reviews from the United States. Best bang for the buck. I bought these Hlmp reflectors to replace my OEM halogens on my Cobra. I regret that I didn't do it sooner. Along with AUTOONE LED H4s, the beam and lumens are outstanding. They don't blind other drivers and I feel confident that I can see pedestrians at night.